Welcome back to your English class. Today we'll start with chapter number 9, Tenali paints a horse. Before we start the chapter, there is a get set, not exactly an activity, but there is a story given here. Let us see what is there. One night as he was preparing to sleep, Tenali heard some rustling sounds coming from outside. I think there are some thieves who are planning to rob our house. I must do something. So Tenali heard some noise, some sounds coming from outside when he was going to sleep. So he understood that there are some thieves who are coming to rob the house, to steal the things. So he thought of doing something. He thought of a plan and spoke loudly to his wife so that the thieves could hear him. So now he had a plan and he spoke very loudly so that the voice goes to the thieves. My dear, I hear there are some thieves in the neighborhood. Let's hide our jewelry and valuables in the well. Soon Tenali and his wife came out with a large trunk. Now we can sleep in peace. No one will find our valuables in there. Now, according to his plan, he spoke very loudly and then he and his wife came out with a large trunk. They kept it inside the well. Then he said nobody will be able to find it. All night the thieves drew water from the well and threw it in the garden. Finally they found the trunk. But when they opened it, thank you for watering my plants, we have been tricked. There are only stones here. And when the thieves were taking out the water from the well continuously, after a long time they found the trunk coming out of the well, and then the trunk was empty. There was nothing in the trunk. And then Tenali said to them, thank you for watering my plants. So in this way Tenali fooled them. Okay. Now this shows that what kind of person he was. He was a very cunning and clever person, Tenali Raman. So again there is a story of Tenali Raman and Raja Krishna Dev Rai. Let us read and see. The characters are Raja Krishna Dev Rai, Tenali Raman, first courtier, second courtier, third courtier and fourth courtier. Tenali Raman was a poet and jester at the court of Krishna Dev Rai of Vijayanagar. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Wit means the intelligence, the mind, the clever mind, when a person is very clever. So Tenali Raman also was. Now let us read the story to see. One day Raja Krishna Dev Rai and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. Now, one day in the kingdom of Raja Krishna Dev Rai, there was an artist who was showing the paintings to Raja. And Raja was impressed, the king was impressed, and other courtiers also. But Tenali Raman, one of the courtiers, was not happy. He was not impressed. He looked displeased, means unimpressed. Raja said, that is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful paintings like these. So Raja said, these paintings are really very beautiful. I can feel the peace of this village scene. You are very talented. And he gave a bag of gold. And he said, if you can stay and make more beautiful paintings, I'll be very happy. Artist, Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your majesty. Now, artist was very happy. He got the chance to paint more. So he said, it will be an honor to paint for you. Tenali, I do not think they are such good paintings at all. Tenali was not pleased. He said, I don't think so. They are quite good paintings. Raja said, How can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. Tenali. For one thing, where is the other side of these two men? You can only see their right side. For another, where is the face of that cow? Now, whatever was drawn, the village scene, he started asking the things which were not visible. He asked, where is the other side of the men? Only one side is visible. Then, where is the face of the cow? So, all these things Tenali started asking.